Hello, so today I'll be doing the maiden flight of my scratch build FPV racer, which is about 900mm wingspan 4x setup with 2205 2300 kV motor. That's crazy, with 6-inch propeller. Okay, before this looks finishing, let's check out the video of the performance before the finishing, and that's it with a white plug ready for shake to wake. So that's an autonomous takeoff. It actually performed well with high speed. I was able to fly it to about 2 kilometers distance and also land it back. So it's actually like a kamikaze drone. That's it over there. So I have a second flight test which was very good and fly accurately to its waypoints and also come back autonomously.
Nice flight, man.
So I'm very happy.
No zoom, I'm
very happy with this wingspan performance and also the flight time. So I'm hoping to get a FPV screen to be able to go so to alright, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you guys.
Come over outside.